Chelsea. And this is Amanda.
Hey guys, I'm Chelsea and this is Amanda and we're the design duo from the Home Collective.
Today we are in the home of Brett and Mesa Basie, tucked in Southwest Rochester. Let's take a look.
So a couple of things that Brett and Mesa loved about their house was the location, the size, and the character.
And some of the things that they didn't really love was the overall choppy floor plan. It didn't really function for their growing family, and there was a lot of outdated finishes throughout. So they teamed up with one of our favorite local designers and architects, Nicole Pearson, to create a beautiful open floor plan. There used to be a wall here, right where we're standing. That's one of the first things that they took down to create this gorgeous open concept kitchen and overall living space. Another thing that they chose were these gorgeous engineered hardwood floors from our Hallmark Alta Vista line, which Chelsea and I are both obsessed with.
Should we put the flooring?
Right, do it. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Not only are they durable, but they also disguise dirt, which I don't know about you, but I definitely need that in my house with my two littles running around.
Yes, absolutely. They chose a modern color that looks just beautiful, light, and airy throughout their home. Another change that they made was swapping out their countertops. Interestingly enough, before the renovation, they had granite. It was dark and outdated and kind of just brought the whole space down. They wanted maintenance-free too, so they upgraded with their new cabinets and put this gorgeous quartz all over.
Not only is it absolutely beautiful, but it's completely maintenance-free. And as a mom, and I know you're a mom, that's huge in our book when we don't have to do any type of upkeep for our countertops.
Can you believe that this space right here that we're standing in used to be their entire kitchen?
I cannot.
I'm always just so blown away by what renovation projects can do. Taking out the wall, choosing light, bright finishes just makes this look so beautiful. Original to the home was outdated, dark drab oak cabinets like so many people in Rochester have.
And mine included.
I know, we need to work on that for you.
Yeah, we do.
So they chose from our medallion line, which is one of our very favorites, the Irish cream color, which is a creamy white. Looks gorgeous, brightens up the space.
And not only is it one of Amanda and my favorite colors that we have to offer, but I also love how it accents the matte black hardware, which then ties into their beautiful painted black island. How fun has today been?
So fun.
So one of the things as designers that I feel like we never get to do is actually step foot into people's homes and see all of the finishing products when the renovation is done.
Yes, I just can't get over what an honor it is. Brett and Mesa, we just want to thank you for inviting us into your gorgeous home today.
Come on down to the Design Center where you would actually be able to meet with myself or Amanda.
And we will help bring your dreams to reality.